Meet Milo, a proud little Turkish Angora, living his best life like a king in my room. And yes, this level of royal attitude. But Milo is special in his own way. He doesn't hear the world. No calling his name, which basically means I've been talking to myself this whole time. Great, but here's the emotional part. Milo doesn't need sound to understand love. He reads the room better than anyone. The light, the vibe, the peace. While I'm busy being his full-time servant, he's just there, calm, relaxed, judging me silently. And honestly, he's winning at life. Because in his quiet little world, there's no noise, no stress, just comfort. So yeah, he may be a deaf cat, but Milo hears something we don't. Peace.